This was the model that we had up earlier, all right, with the big natural hair, the big curly texture hair. You see what she started at. She didn't have hardly any color on her hair. She started at a level 3, all right? We pre-lightened her all the way up to a level 7, 8, and 9 throughout the hair. But all of her color techniques were going in a half moon section. 3 half moon sections, starting from here to the back, here to the back, here to the back. And after that, we came in and dropped on 3 different toners throughout the head, between 1, 2, and 3 sections. And just showing you here underneath here, I'm just going to show you real quickly on what she has in between here. Just looking underneath. So when we say blondes, it doesn't have to stay blonde. It can be blondes in certain areas, and then you can come on and pop on some other colors of choice depending on what your creativity wants to give you. But at the same time, everything is still blondes. It's in the blonde family. Like when you see this mint green right here, this is not a mint green at level 2. This is the mint green at level what? 9. All right? But just using our direct dyes, our hair paint to create that particular look. I'm not sure if we can put that picture back up again with her standing up there so you can kind of see where she actually came from. Now, with her being the way she was, this is her before look, right? I think they just had it up there. It does look good. It look good. Y'all see it? So, dealing with this, that's a nice before look, right? So, when you put the after picture and the before picture side by side, that's money in the bank. You don't let clients walk out like this without taking pictures. Let's say if she only comes to me one time, and I know she has that feeling that she may go to somebody else because it may cost too much, I'm going to take a bunch of pictures. Pictures. Everybody needs ring lights for their birthdays, right? Everybody needs ring lights. You take a lot of pictures. So if she never comes back, she's still there. Why? Because we have what? Photos. And the photos you can promote all the time using the correct hashtags. Everybody in here should be promoting their work at least a minimum of 4 to 5 times per day. 4 to 5 times per day. This is how you make money today. Word of mouth is still good. Instagram gets you there quicker. Does that make sense? All right? But again, I do this every day. I start about 6 a.m. in the morning. I do about 8 to 10 heads per day. My goal every single day is to make $1,200 per day, every single day. And I do it so quick that I'm laughing and playing with everybody else and joking in the salon, and nobody even knows how much money I made. And that's how you do it, with little or no people. But you have to have color present in the hair, all right? Let me get you. No, go to the front. Yeah, go to the front. Yeah. Hope y'all like this look here.